Hello everyone, today we are going to be taking a quick look at this 2022 Ford Expedition. This one we're looking at is the Timberline trim level, which I think if you're someone who loves going on adventures and taking your trucks or SUV to places where other cars cannot go to, this is the best for you. This Timberline is equipped with these 18-inch wheels, and when you come here you have a permanent running board, which I think is really cool. And this has a black metallic exterior, black paint, which I think is really nice. One thing you will notice is that because this is the Timberline, which is on the left hand side, you have orange accent that is integrated into the name, and when you come to the side you have this beautiful LED tail light. On this Timberline trim level you have this 15.5-inch navigation screen, which I think looks amazing, and this one comes with a Sync 4 infotainment system, and with this you get a panoramic sunroof, which I think is really awesome. And on this seat you get orange station, and you get a rotary dial transmission knob, and this is equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission that is paired with a twin turbocharged 3.5-liter V6. Let me show you the engine. Like I said, this is powered by this twin turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. And on this Timberline you get about 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. But if you want more power on this Timberline, you can get the Stealth Performance package, and that will increase your horsepower to 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. When you come to the front of this Timberline, one thing you will notice is that you have the orange accent that is integrated into the front bumper, and here you have the Timberline badge or logo that is integrated into the front bumper. And if you look down, you have orange recovery hook, and you have this beautiful LED headlights that looks really nice. With this Expedition you can tow up to 6,000 pounds, and when you look at the rear you have chrome that is integrated into the rear bumper. One place that this really shine is with the cargo space. When the third row seats are folded down, you get 63.3 cubic feet of cargo space. When the third row seat is up, which you can also control back here, you can actually get about 20.9 cubic feet of cargo space. And one great thing is all the seats from the middle to third row seats, they are all power operated, so you can fold your middle and third row seat down with these buttons back here, which I think is really great. When the second row and third row seats are all folded down, you get about 104.6 cubic feet of cargo space, which I think is really amazing. This Timberline doesn't come with XL, so this has a wheelbase of 122.5 inches and a length of 210 inches. This has a height of 76.6 inches and a width of 93.4 inches. With this Timberline trim level, you get a ground clearance of 10.6 inches, making it one of the tallest full-size SUV in the market today. One little detail about this is that if you look at the wheel, you get the Timberline badge integrated into it, and these are gloss black wheels. So what do you think about this 2022 Ford Expedition Timberline trim level? This is where I'm going to end the video. If you want to see more reviews about this beautiful full-size SUV, please, I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video so that when I post future videos like this, you will be among the first to see my videos. Thank you, and I will see you next time.